Hey, my friend Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support. So what I'd like you to do is just to follow this troubleshooting steps and see if we can get rid of that thing that is showing up. So first things first is um, go to. I just want to make sure you don't have any code. All right, so go to this integrations here and remove this integration you have. Then select HTML form, select integrate existing form, and then click on pause and save web form. Go out and click on save. Give it 10 to 20 seconds and then go back in again. Go to integrations, remove this integration you have just created, go out, click on save. This will reset this page and hopefully the name that's showing up will go back to what you wanted to show. If that doesn't work, then go ahead and change the page path or so you click on this gear icon here. I think my network is acting up, but it will work now. Let's give it 1 second. Okay, so it's going to show you this when you click on that gear icon, and just rename it to maybe 1-2. Scroll down and click on update page. Right, so lead magnet, do that. Okay, so when you do that, then you can go ahead and try it again. Okay, that's all for now. Have a good day.